Most do-it-yourself homeowners hear about termite sniffing dogs and wonder if they can buy termite canine detection products to handle termites on their own. When we talk about termite scent detection, there are two worlds that often get mixed up. First, you have professional canine teams, where a trained handler works with a dog that has spent months being conditioned to recognize the very specific scent profile of live termites and their active galleries. Those dogs are then proofed against distractions like old damage, dead termites, wood rot, and common household smells, which is why good teams can often pinpoint activity behind walls where you cannot see it. Second, there are consumer scent kits, usually small vials or cartridges that contain termite scent mimics so professionals can train or maintain their dogs between formal sessions. These are not designed to confirm whether your home has termites, they are training aids to help the dog associate that scent with a reward. For an accurate do-it-yourself approach, focus instead on installing termite monitoring stations in the soil around the home at regular spacing and checking them every 30 to 60 days for live insects or fresh mud tubes. Combine that with deliberate visual inspections along the foundation, in crawl spaces, and around plumbing penetrations, looking for pencil-thick mud shelter tubes, blistered or wavy paint, and wood that sounds hollow when tapped. A big mistake is assuming you can simply buy a dog or a scent kit and accurately test your own home, which usually leads to false confidence or panic. The better move is to use scent-trained dogs only through certified canine teams that can provide written inspection reports and clear explanations of their findings. Another common issue is relying entirely on a single inspection method, such as just looking around once a year or just using stations, which misses early activity. So combine a seasonal full home visual inspection with year-round station checks and professional inspections on a regular schedule. A third problem is reacting only when you see obvious damage, because by the time wood feels soft or crumbles, colonies may have been feeding for years. So treat monitoring stations and inspections like routine maintenance, similar to changing air filters, rather than an emergency response. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier to turn all of this into action by helping homeowners find local pest control and general contractors who understand termite risks and long-term monitoring. On our site, contractors can list their services and connect with people who already know they need help. And we also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals trade tips, pictures, and real-world termite stories so all of us can make smarter decisions.